Imagine a world where people lift each other up, a world where competition takes a backseat to collaboration. This is the power of we instead of me. When we choose to support each other, incredible things happen. We are stronger together. We are braver together. Collaboration allows us to achieve more than we ever could alone. It's about recognizing that everyone has something unique to offer. When we work together, we combine our strengths. We learn from each other's experiences. This creates a ripple effect of growth and innovation. Choose collaboration. Choose kindness. Choose to rise together. Competition often creates barriers between people. It fosters a sense of us versus them. Collaboration, on the other hand, tears down these walls. It encourages us to see each other as allies, not adversaries. When we collaborate, we open ourselves up to different perspectives. We learn to appreciate diverse viewpoints and challenge our own assumptions. This leads to greater understanding and empathy. Collaboration helps to build bridges between individuals, communities, and even nations. It reminds us that we are all part of something bigger than ourselves. We are interconnected, and our success is intertwined. History is replete with examples of what happens when people work together towards a common goal. Think of Nelson Mandela and F.W. de Klerk. They worked together to dismantle apartheid in South Africa. This collaboration brought about a more just and equitable society. Another inspiring example is the global scientific community's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Scientists from around the world shared research and collaborated on developing vaccines. This unprecedented teamwork saved countless lives. These stories, and many others like them, demonstrate the transformative power of collaboration. When we pool our talents and resources, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges and achieve extraordinary things. In the world of business, collaboration can lead to groundbreaking innovations. Companies that foster a collaborative culture often see higher levels of creativity and productivity. When employees feel valued and heard, they are more likely to contribute their best ideas. This not only benefits the company but also leads to personal growth and job satisfaction. Collaboration in the workplace can break down silos and encourage cross-functional teamwork. It allows for the sharing of knowledge and expertise, leading to more informed decision-making. By working together, businesses can adapt more quickly to changes in the market and stay ahead of the competition. Embrace collaboration in your professional life and watch as new opportunities unfold. Education is another area where collaboration can have a profound impact. When teachers, students, and parents work together, the learning experience is enriched. Collaborative learning encourages students to engage with the material and with each other. It fosters critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Teachers who collaborate with their peers can share best practices and develop more effective teaching strategies. Parents who are involved in their child's education can provide additional support and encouragement. By working together, we can create a more inclusive and supportive educational environment. Let's build a community of learners who lift each other up. In the realm of social change, collaboration is essential. Grassroots movements and nonprofit organizations often rely on the collective efforts of individuals to drive change. When people come together for a common cause, their voices are amplified. Collaboration allows for the pooling of resources and expertise, making it possible to tackle complex social issues. It fosters a sense of solidarity and shared purpose. By working together, we can address systemic problems and create a more just and equitable society. Whether it's advocating for human rights, environmental protection, or social justice, collaboration is key. Let's join forces and make a difference. Technology has made collaboration easier than ever before. With the advent of digital tools and platforms, people can work together from anywhere in the world. Remote teams can collaborate in real time, sharing ideas and feedback instantly. Online communities and social networks provide spaces for people to connect and collaborate on projects. Open-source software development is a prime example of the power of collaborative technology. Developers from around the globe contribute to projects, creating innovative solutions that benefit everyone. Embrace the tools and technologies that facilitate collaboration and unlock new possibilities. As we look to the future, the importance of collaboration will only continue to grow. The challenges we face, from climate change to global health crises, require collective action. No single person or organization can solve these problems alone. By working together, we can develop sustainable solutions and create a better world for future generations. Collaboration fosters resilience and adaptability, allowing us to navigate uncertainty and change. It reminds us that we are stronger together and that our collective efforts can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Let's commit to a future where collaboration is at the heart of everything we do. Together, we can rise to any challenge. The world needs more collaborators, more bridge builders, more people who believe in the power of we. Let's choose to support each other, to celebrate each other's successes, and to lift each other up when we fall. Embrace teamwork in your own life. Seek out opportunities to collaborate with others. Be kind, be supportive. Believe in the power of collective action. Remember, we are all in this together. Let's rise together.